Hey yo, welcome back. It is important to understand what is happening in the global market right now. To understanding global market is very essential if you are someone who is in an sector where the developments in global markets matters. So let's dive into the global market and to understand this scenario of global market, what we are doing is we are diving into various prominent markets, including US, Europe, various Asian markets, Australian markets, and the African market. We start our analysis with a US market. We can see that US market has seen a drop of 1.71 percentage in the last 24 hours. That is a serious drop from the US market. The market now stands at 6013.13. We move to European market to understand the scenario in that market. We can clearly see that European trend is a bit different from what we have seen in US. The European market has seen a growth of 0.25 percentage. It's time to move to Asian markets. The prominent Asian markets are China, Japan, and India. Both China and Japan has seen a growth of 0.085 percentage and 0.26 percentage respectively. Meanwhile, the Indian market has seen a drop of 0.51 percentage in line with the trend we have seen in the US market. There are situations in the past where Indian market behaved similar to what the trend in the US. So this is not the present scenario where the Indian market resembles the situation in US market is not something that is surprising. That is just a repetition of the historical trend that we have witnessed in the global market. It's time to move to African continent. To understand the overall scenario of African continent, the most prominent capitalist economy in the Africa is South Africa, and we have seen a slight growth of 0.05 percentage in South Africa, and the market now stands at 88,913.81. It's time to move to Australia. The Australian market looks similar to the trend in India and US, even though the trend in the Australia is not as worse as what we have seen in US, and even the trend we have seen in India is not anywhere similar to what we are seeing right now in Australian market. It has seen a one-day drop of 0.32 percentage. That is much less severe a drop that we have seen in Indian market and the US market. US market has seen a very severe drop of 1.7 percentage. Meanwhile, the Indian market has seen a drop of 0.51 percentage. Thus the drop in the Australian market of 0.32 percentage is not that and very significant drop in terms of the other two major market that had shown a drop. So that is an overall scenario. So if you want me to give a conclusion, I can see that the most prominent market which have seen a very powerful upward momentum today is Chinese market with a 0.85 percentage growth, and the prominent market which has seen a drop is US market with a drop of 1.71 percentage. If you are curious to understand the situations in a particular market which has shown exceptional performances, you have to dive deep into each market and analyze various sectors. We may do that kind of analysis in the future. So in an introductory perspective, this is going to give you an overall view of what is happening in the global market right now. Thank you so much for listening, and thank you again.